Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/affordable products market 7075. Today we will discuss top 10 best rod spinning reels with buying guides and reviews. Our rod fishing men who want to improve their experience must select the best rod spinning reel. The performance, strongness and adaptability of 10 highly regarded rod spinning reels will be discussed in this video. Based on your needs, you can make a well-informed choice with each reel's distinctive characteristics designed to match the demand of trout fishing. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/affordable products market 7075. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, TICA SS500 Trout Fishing Series Carapi Pan Fishing Series 5.2 gear ratio. Features 6 rust resistance ball bearing and 1 roller bearing. Mini bearing inside the line roller. Computer design balanced rotor. Instant anti-reverse graphite spool. ambidextrous soft touch handle knob with 2 stainless steel ball bearing. Number 2, Leland's Lures Trot Magnet E to Z Trot Float. Features easy on and off float allow for easy on and easy off without cutting line or removing your lure. Easy adjustment, adjust depth easily without removing the float. Work great for all species. Work great with the trot magnet and all other similar size lure or bites. Number 3, the ICA SB800 Status Trout Spinning Fishing Reel Gold 6.95 yard. Features dependable and seamless performance, accurate drag mechanism for management, ergonomic design that is cozy, adaptable, spool for several fishing methods. Number 4, Lewis Walls Marshall's Classic Signature Series Rolling Fishing Roll. Features lightweight graphite body and new skeletal rotor design, double anodized aluminum spool with gold accent line. Quality 6 bearing system signature series. Number 5, Shakespeare Wild Series Sports Combo. Features complete fishing equipment including a rod and reel, superior component to ensure longevity and optimal functionality, a well-balanced setup for effortless hook setting and casting, tip of a sensitive rod for identifying bites, adaptable choice to fit various fishing methods. Number 6, Quantum Total Spinning Fishing Reel 10 plus 1 ball bearing with a smooth and powerful 6.2:1 gear ratio. Features size 25 spinning reels is designed with the lightweight durable carbon fiber body and side cover, 11 bearing and a Dora lock anti-reverse clutch for smooth performance and high power lockdowns. Changeable right or left hand retrieve make this reel customized for any angler. The carbon fiber drag system has a max drag of 16 pounds for locking down the fish on your line. Number 7, Quantum Strategies Spinning Reel 6 ball bearing 5 plus clutch with a smooth and powerful 5.2 ratio 1 gear ratio. Features spinning reel is a super responsive size 20 fishing reel reliable performance strategies bring an elevated fishing experience to a trusted spinning reel. These reels were designed with the changeable right or left hand retrieve and 6 bearing 5 plus clutch with continuous anti-reverse clutch technology that stops your reel's handle from moving backward in order. This reel is perfect for catching light and medium species from panfish to trout. Number 8, Reddington Zero Fly Fishing Reel lightweight designed for trout flick drag system. Features Zero Fly Reel, Darrington The Redington Zero Fly fishing reels set a new standard for lightweight performance designed for trout fishing. Click drag Clicker drag. The spring-loaded clicker drag system is designed to provide smooth resistance on those screaming runs. Number 9. Zebco 202 spin cast fishing reel, size 30 reels, right hand retrieve. Features reliable spin cast construction for user friendliness, adaptable size 30 reel for a range of freshwater species, robust R metal gears for enduring effectiveness, conveniently pre-spooled with a 10-pound Zipco fishing line, reasonable price for fishermen on a tight budget. Number 10. Quantum Total Spinning Reels and Fishing Rod Combo. Features superior spinning reels combined with an excellent fishing rod. Ideal matched pair for a smooth integration. The ideal gear ratio for flexible operation. Slick drag magnesium to manage the battle. Easy to purchase combo package that is convenient. Now we are share some customer feedbacks and review. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose the good one according to your choice, according to your need and requirement. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.affordableproductmarket.com/trout spinning reels slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.